The detail on this is incredible.
Imagine how many bags that took.
Skittles, taste the rainbow.
Once you taste the rainbow, you'll want some more. Skittles! Waco made, Texas proud. Taste the colorful crunch. Now also available in the UK.
It's the great Skittles debate. Do the colors actually taste different? We're about to find out.
Make sure the extrusion speed matches the setting.
It's holding steady right at 69.
The humidity levels look stable on the coating cycle.
Good. Let's maintain the speed at 200 RPM.
The elongated blue centers are polished in the rotating drums before the iconic red shells are precisely marked on the line below.
I think this batch is ready for shipment.
Okay, I'll seal these up. Taste the rainbow. Even the green ones.
Once the candies are sorted, they are moved to the packaging line, where high-speed machines seal them tightly.
You can really see the shift here, from the stylized graphics to something much more grounded and personal.